We often draw the rays of the sun coming onto Earth as parallel lines. Oftentimes, I thought of how could this be actually parallel? I mean, shouldn't the rays of the sun coming to the North Pole and the South Pole be at different angles to each other? I was just thinking maybe we should just draw a 1:1 drawing of planet Earth, the sun, and see how these rays of the sun behave in reality. So let's draw planet Earth, which has got a radius of 6,000 kilometers. So let's assume that each unit represents a kilometer here. That's Earth. Now let's draw the sun, which is roughly around 150 million kilometers away from Earth. So let's do 150 and million is 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that line represents the distance of between Earth and Sun. Let's see how far. Okay. Whoa. That's super far. Okay. Now at the other end, let's draw the sun, the diameter of which is around 1.5 million kilometers. So 1.5, no. So 1.5 followed by 6 zeros is as good as 15 followed by 5 zeros. So 1, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, that's the sun and that's the Earth. I mean, somehow we never seem to think that, at least me, I never really imagined that the distance is so much. So, well, now let's do one thing. Let's draw the ray of the sun. Let's go all the way to Earth. Okay, so that's the ray of the sun hitting Earth. Now let's do one thing. Let's just copy this line a couple of times and paste it onto itself. Okay. Now let's click on this line and lift the line, this end of the line with a grip, and put it on the North Pole. Okay. So this is the line coming all the way from the center of the sun to the North Pole. And let's hold this by this point and move this end to the South Pole. Well, as you notice here, it doesn't really seem like there's much of an angle difference between, because the distance is so much that it really doesn't make a difference. At this point, yeah, it does seem like it's wider at the left, on the left, and narrower at the right. But when you zoom in, you kind of get the feeling that they're all kind of parallel. And this is exactly why we draw sun's rays as being parallel to Earth. Because at this distance, it really doesn't make a difference. So, yeah, let's just draw these arrows. That's really some learning here. Thank you, guys.